Coronavirus cases continue to trend in the right direction. The state is reporting more than 21,000 new cases over the past 3 days. It averages out to more than 7,000 cases per day. That's a drop from Friday when cases were averaging about 13,000 per day. Sadly, we've lost another 65 lives to the virus. Michigan is shipping 250,000 free at-home COVID tests to 50,000 homes. Some zip codes are eligible in Macomb, Oakland, and Wayne counties, along with the city of Detroit. You can see if you qualify on the homepage of our website. Click on Detroit.com. Moderna says the FDA has given full approval to its COVID vaccine. The shot was granted an emergency use authorization in 2020 and has since been given to tens of millions of Americans. The state's COVID case numbers are one way to measure where we are in the pandemic, but it's hospitals that see it up close and personal. And 2 local health systems are sharing some cautious optimism with our Sean Lay. Sean joins us live with more. Sean, good evening.
Kimberly, we're outside Beaumont Royal Oak here. And listen, Beaumont doctors telling us today they were seeing a steady increase in COVID cases all the way back to July. And now they're seeing those cases start to drop and go the other way. Michigan Medicine also reporting today positive movement in COVID. Could it be a possible downturn in COVID? Michigan Health providing this light at the end of the tunnel today.
So overall, thank you for everything that the public is doing. It seems to be working. We're seeing less people in the emergency department. We're seeing less crowding, but we're still seeing a lot of COVID, and we've got a little ways to go before we cross the finish line on this one.
That's Michigan Medicine emergency medicine doctor Brad Uren, now seeing fewer COVID patients coming into the ER. The numbers from Omicron have been staggering. Community spread remains high, and there is concern for older people, those on chemotherapy and those on immunosuppressants.
Wear a mask if you're around these people, and make sure that they're wearing a mask when you're around so that you can protect them, because those people are still at high risk. Even with the potentially milder form of infection, we still have concerns about severe COVID in those individuals, and we want to protect them.
Doctors at Beaumont Health tell us they're also seeing a significant downturn in COVID patients. Dr. Matthew Sims, Director of Infectious Disease, explains what that means.
Certainly, we're seeing the end of the surge, which is great. So the Omicron surge is coming to an end. I think that we're starting to see a downtrend because a lot of the people who are susceptible have gotten it.
Back here live at Beaumont Royal Oak, 365 COVID patients within Beaumont's health system right now. Dr. Sims tells us that's likely folks who are not vaccinated, not boosted, or came in for something different and then tested positive once inside for COVID. Now, Dr. Sims also points out the Omicron variant, stealth variant, they're calling it. He does not know what that is going to bring. He says he is looking forward to, however, to Big Pharma coming up with a vaccine for Omicron. Kimberly?
Otherwise, all positive signs. Sean, we really appreciate your report.